Next, file system and network file sharing. A file system is a structured way to store and organize data files. Many file systems maintain a file accessible table to simplify the process of searching and accessing files. Accessing a file system must be mounted before it can be used. In most cases, the operating system mounts a local file system during the boot process. The mount process creates a link between the file system on the NAS and operating system on the client. When mounting a file system, the operating system organizes files and directories in a tree-like structure and grants the privileges to the user to access this structure. The tree is rooted at a mount point. The mount point is named using operating system conventions. Network file sharing system. Network file sharing refers to storing and accessing files over a network. In a file sharing environment, the user who creates a file determines the type of access to be given to other users and controls changes to the file. When multiple users try to access a shared file at the same time, a locking scheme is required to maintain data integrity and at the same time makes this sharing possible. This is an example for file system and network file sharing, where you have the path of the file from root directory. File system and network file sharing. Examples of file sharing modes. File transfer protocol. Client server protocol that enables data transfer over a network. Distributed file system. File system that is distributed across several hosts. A name service such as domain name system and directory service such as Microsoft Active Directory and network information service helps user identify and access a unique resource over the network. A name service protocol such as Lightweight Directory Access Protocol creates a namespace. The peer-to-peer model, file sharing model, uses a peer-to-peer network. Components of NAS.